photo of jungle, live, beautiful. See, hello guys, welcome back to another video. See my animal toys, animal world, beautiful plastic animal toys. Wow, you can see it. This is very beautiful color combination animal package. Let's start unboxing. Black, orange, yellow color combination, beautiful tiger. Wow. Oh, see panda, beautiful black and white color panda, beautiful. See, what is this? This is beautiful cangaro, beautiful. Oh, another mouse, beautiful toys collection. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Beautiful camel, white and yellow color camel, beautiful. And this is giraffe, long neck giraffe, beautiful color combination and beautiful animal toys. And the last one, the king, guys. This is beautiful long tail. And this is mini tree, beautiful. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.